Hi everybody, I just wanted to do a real quick video and say thank you to Tim at Throttle Power. He was running a giveaway on his channel not too long ago, and I was one of the lucky winners. So first of all, if you aren't subscribed to Throttle Power and Tim, go do it. And thank you, Tim, for the kind words on the back of the card. This is my first shop card, so thank you for that. Tim has a great channel. He does wonderful work. Everybody should go over and check him out. It's definitely worth your time to invest watching his videos. So definitely go check him out. But this is what I won. It's a figure. It's called the Weirdos. Card Icky Churs, Francis the Foul, the Way Out Dribbler. So I haven't opened it. You see, it's still sealed. So I haven't even opened this up yet to figure out what he actually looks like or anything like that. But we'll be doing this soon, as soon as I get a couple other projects out of the way. But Tim, just wanted to say thank you again. I really do appreciate it. And like I said before, go check out Tim's channel. Excellent person, wonderful member of the community. Everybody should be subscribed to him. Go check him out. Hope everybody's having a great day. I will talk to you all soon. Bye.